Alright guys, welcome back. Okay, so now that we have the Breville Fountain Cold juicer all together, now we're about to juice and see how it tastes, y'all. Alright, so putting it together was not a problem. That wasn't a problem, that was easy. Now, getting the fruits ready, getting the vegetables ready was a little bit of a task. Because certain things are not good for the juicer, like the certain skins, like you cannot just put a whole orange in there. You gotta peel the orange. I still don't know about ginger skin, so I peeled my ginger just in case, you know what I'm saying? I tried to Google before, so I'm gonna get into it. All right, so now I'm about to put some in there. So what we have is a cucumber. Now this is good for you, the skin and all. So you're just gonna put this right through, perfect. I got a piece of ginger because it's just me. I'm not doing this right now for my hubby because I don't know what he wants in his juice. I'm doing it just for me. So I put a little piece of juicer that I did de-skin just in case, because I didn't do my research on the ginger yet. I got red apples and green apples. I pretty much got everything on my fridge. So I got red and green apples, which we went over, you know, the pit and the seeds of the pit and the seeds are really bad for you. I also took off the stem and everything. I just want pure apple now. As you can see, it's already starting to oxidize. So I gotta hurry up and do this because once it oxidizes, it's starting to lose its form. So it's, you know, the minerals and stuff. So I got that. I also got carrot. I took out the stem because of the bitter taste. The nasty looking part on the end. So I'm gonna put this whole thing in there. I got 2 celery sticks, okay, and a piece of papaya. So now I did Google the papaya. You can blend the entire thing, but they did say the skin may become a little bitter tasting. So I just tasted a piece of it. I just bit into it and it did taste really bitter. So I took out the seeds, I gutted it, and I just left a little teensy bit of seed because that is where you are gonna get your most minerals and nutrients. So I kept a little piece on, but that's how much I'm about to juice. All right, so let's turn it on. So on the side of the Breville juicer, it says off and then low and then high. So I'm gonna put it on high, honey, and let's see. I'm also let you guys hear how loud it is because it did say it's not that loud. So let's see. All right, let's plug it in. I'm super excited. All right. Okay, so that is what you're gonna get with 1 cucumber in this juicer. And that was a pretty big juicer. A pretty big cucumber, I'm sorry. Now there's still some juice in there. Let's see what it's doing though. Okay, all the juice is gone. How much pulp? I would say, let's unlock it real quick. There's a little teensy bit of juice in here. A little teensy bit. Alright, we gonna look. No lie though, for the money, I feel like there's a lot of skin that should have been inside of here juiced. Okay? So that's 1 fruit. So you get that much out of 1 fruit, which is you get not even a half of oh yeah, you get about 4 ounces. You get about 4 ounces out of 1. Okay, I mean, I'm just greedy, so I'm probably like I want a whole cup. All right, so now we're gonna do, let's do low maybe. Let's do low. We're gonna do the celery. Okay. Let's throw in the apples. Now the apples you gotta push down. You know what? The low is not good. We're gonna do high. I feel like I'm... Woo! I got so scared. Oh my gosh. Ah! That exploded. You're gonna do a piece of ginger. Okay, that one needs more ginger. Like a little bit came out of that. Oh, I smell it though. It smells so good. Now the papaya, this piece couldn't fit in there, so I'm gonna cut it in half. All right. Okay, let's see what we got. Hold on. It's still doing its thing. All right. So, it's powerful. It did leave a bit of a mess behind here, but I think that's because I took that off. Okay, because there's no mess anywhere else. All right. So, out of all that, I mean, this is a good amount for 2 people. Like, just to kickstart your morning, this is a great amount, to be honest. All right, so we're going to take this out. There's no drip. It's not dripping. All right. So, with all of that, I do smell the ginger, but I think I want some more. But anyway, you know what? Let me not. All right, so you got this amount, okay, which is about 20, a little bit over, so like 22 ounces, okay? All right. So now we're going to mix this up. I'm going to get a cup and see how much we could really get out of one. All right, so I'm going to put, I'm going to leave some for my hubby. So let's see how much we got. Hold on. Actually, I might just drink it all. I might just drink it all, honey. I don't know. What y'all think? What do y'all think I should do? Okay, we got plenty fruits, okay? So we just gonna drink it all, and I'll just remake a new one. All right, so this is how much we got. Let's try it before anything. So I'm gonna take a spoon. I'm gonna stir it around. Now I just threw in, like I said, everything I have in my fridge, so it's dripping a little bit, so yeah. All right, y'all ready? Oh, let me get my measuring cup so I can show y'all how much I got. All right. One cup. 2 cups. I think it gave us about 3 cups, a little bit over 3 cups, okay? So So you and a partner, you and your roommate, you and your daughter, whatever, can definitely taste this. So I'm gonna put this in here. This could definitely be for me and my husband today. I'm just being greedy. All right, so ready? Let's try it. Cheers. Salud. Oh, wow. Now, because I like juice and I love fruits and vegetables, this is amazing, to be honest. It don't got no sweetness to it. It don't got no sugar. But you can always add honey. You can always add honey. Honey isn't really too good if you're on a keto, which I'm not really on a diet on a keto. I'm just trying to moderate what I eat right now. So I try to stay away from honey if I don't need to. But this is actually pretty good. I like my beverages really cold, so I'm gonna put it in the fridge, but it's not bad. You taste everything. You taste literally everything. That celery, you just need one celery. One celery. I could have added a way bigger piece of ginger. I don't taste the apple juices at all, but I feel like that's what's giving it a little bit of a sweetness to it. I don't really taste the papaya, but like you don't want to kill all your fruits that you buy, your vegetables. You know, you kind of just want to do like little by little because you're just trying to absorb as much nutrients. Like one piece is a serving, you know, if you think about it like that. I could drink this ice cold at the gym in a mug, and this would be awesome for me. And you don't even need no water. You don't need water. It's really watery, the texture. All right, so now I'm gonna put this in the fridge. That was really good. I felt like, wow, okay. All right, so like we spoke about, closed sprout, open sprout. Open is for you to pour it. Closed is for you to keep all the nutrients and minerals inside, sealed and vacuum packed. Because this is what that container is. Okay, so it's pretty sealed. There's no air coming in here. And I'm going to leave this in the fridge so my hubby can taste it. I would say, okay, so now, hold on. Let's get into what we have left over. That's actually really good. I'm proud of that. All right, so now let's get into how much is left over. All right, so let's unlock this. I'm gonna put this spout up so it just stops. All right, so I'll put this over a little bit. I'm gonna take this out. Okay, let's throw all this in the dishwasher. Okay, so we're gonna take this out. This is all the trash, okay? Now, I'm gonna really get into juicing for real because you could use this. My grandmother would probably use this to fertilize some stuff. So I'm gonna look into what I could use this for. Maybe it could turn into something you could use it for something, I don't know. But I'm gonna get into it soon. Now, it's pretty dry. I don't know. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna squeeze it. There's not much juice in there. Okay. I'm gonna take all of this. And what you can do too, also, I wish I had a cheesecloth or something. Like, that's no juice coming out of there. That's all pulp. That's why I like a cold press machine more. You can't even put that back in there, you know? All right, so that's all, but it's a lot of pulp though. But it's not really. This probably was the most moistest one. Okay. So that's pretty good. Now let's look inside here, the trash, because that's where so we're gonna take this apart. How we did this again? I think it was like this. Ooh, okay. There go a nice juicy piece right there. So that probably could have been, that's a little juicy piece right there. Is there more? Oh, there's a little bit more juice in the bottom. So let me just see. There's like a teensy bit of juice in the bottom. So I'm gonna just pour that inside of here. You know what? That ain't juice. That's just like, it's just, yeah, no. It got all the juice out, y'all. I'm just trying to be very frugal. And then this is the trash, okay? All the peels, I'm gonna dig it out so you can see. All right, so there is a couple pieces of apple chunks. Okay, so it separated the skin. Remember how I wanted a little bit of skin? It separated the skin from the papaya. Okay, and one little piece of celery that could have been juiced. A piece of cucumber that could have been juiced. It took the skin off the apple. So it's really not a skin. Okay, here go a whole slice of fruit. Now, I'm going to, yes, so I don't think it liked the apples as much. I'm going to show you guys how this looks. Okay, this is how thin it cut the apple in half. And you can see the blades on it. So it cut it pretty thin. So this whole thing right here could have been juice. Cause like, look at that. That's all juice. So, but I mean, out of all that juice that I got, if that's all that's left, you know, it really is a good juicer. There's not much cleanup over here. I have removed it, remember? So that's why it's like that. So anyways, so overall, it tastes really good. Overall, it was very easy to use. All I'm gonna do right now is just clean this up and put it in the dishwasher, like rinse it and put it in the dishwasher. Okay, stay right there. I'm gonna separate this little segment real quick. Okay, so overall, I would rate this a really good rating. I would say it's definitely worth it. The fruits also feel very cold in my hand. So that's a really good thing too. Like the whole machine, it's not hot. It's not even warm, I promise you. And the fruits in the, you know, in the pulp, it all feels really cold as well. So that means I just drank a ton of minerals and vitamins and I feel real good. Now, if you're the type of person that's on the same time as me, the same like schedule time where you gotta rip and run in the morning times, this is a lot of prep work. It is. So what I will say is get 3 to 4 vegetables that is easy that you could just pour in there. Like for instance, the celery, I didn't do no prep. I just washed it. The cucumber, I didn't do no prep. Maybe peel your ginger before, peel your papaya and put it in Ziploc bags. I don't know. But then again, if you do that, I think that also loses the minerals. It has to contain in its skin and natural form. So what I would do is the days that you're busy and you are on the go, like celery and cucumber is always amazing for you. Drop a little lime juice or lemon juice in there, add some ice, shake it up, you can go. Now, anything else like the papaya that took time to peel, the ginger, the apples, I would do that on a day that you're off. Also, just to add a little bit, like once or twice a week, just to give yourself a little bit of sweetness, add some blueberries, add some blackberries, add some strawberries, a little bit of pineapple, a little bit of mango. Because if I added blueberries or not even blueberries, if I added like raspberries and blackberries to that, that would have been an amazing drink. So that's my intake on this whole thing. I hope it helps you. Please understand that beauty and health does not come quick and easy, zip and zap. So if you have to wake up an extra hour early just to get all this into your body so you can live long and healthy, please do not be lazy with yourself. Your body deserves it. You deserve it. So that's just my intake on everything. You know, don't be like, I don't got time for all that, child. I'm gonna just stop and give me breakfast and coffee, because you want to live long. God gave you all these beautiful things for you to enjoy, and enjoy it, honey. Enjoy it. Your body deserves it. So if you like this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that. And that will definitely encourage me to make some more videos for you guys that'll help you, okay? And help me too. All right, guys, I hope you guys like this video. Thank you. Be safe, be kind, and love.